Myself Rivan. I am studying in first grade. My school name is Oak Brook Academy. Today I am going to tell you about rainy season. The rainy season comes after the summer season, which starts in the month of June, ends in September. We also call it as monsoon season. During this time, the sky looks cloudy with heavy black clouds everywhere. There are sounds of lightning and thunderstorm. We often see rainbow as well. Lakes, rivers, ocean receive plenty of water. This weather is helpful for agriculture. Rainy season gives us different types of fruits: lychee, cherries, plum, and pomegranate and corn. We use umbrella, raincoat, and gumboot to protect ourselves in the rainy season. We see many creatures such as snail, earthworm, snake, and frog. I hope you like my presentation. Thank you, friends. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.